cussing out niggas on TikTok, let me bring it over here to IG. What the fuck is going on? There's like a brand new algorithm, and all it's doing is showing off this monitor ass spirit energy where people are observing things but not interacting with things. I think that shit is really fucking weird. Okay, and maybe I'm guilty of it, but I'll tell you one thing. If I see something I like on this app, I don't care if it has 1 million likes, 1 million views, 1 million comments. 9 times out of 10, the shit that I actually interact with isn't viral. I'm going to comment. I'm going to put a heart there, because at the end of the day, bro, like, we're losing our connection with each other. Everybody think they too motherfucking good to show love to each other, and that's bleeding into the real world. Shit is getting real shaky in here. Nobody's communicating. Nobody's connecting. Nobody's building community. The community is being torn to motherfucking shreds. And it's terrifying. If I could shake anybody up tonight, I'll be like, damn, reach out and fucking touch somebody.